If you're an investor looking to pick up more properties, the DSCR loan program is one you're going to want to know about. The beauty of it is simple. You don't have to qualify using your personal income. In fact, you can get approved with a low or even a no debt service ratio. That means even if the rent doesn't fully cover the mortgage payment, you can still make the deal work. You don't need perfect credit either. A 660 FICO gets you in the door. The loan amounts allowed are generous also. Typically, you can finance up to $2.5 million. Now, let's talk about loan to value. On a purchase or a rate and term refinance, you can go up to 80% loan to value. If you're doing a cash out refinance, you can go up to 75% LTV and yank as much as $500,000 cash back in your pocket. The proceeds can also count toward your reserve requirements, which makes things easier when you're managing multiple properties. Let's talk about the property types allowed on a debt service coverage ratio loan. You're not limited to single-family homes. You can do townhomes, 2 to 4 unit properties, condos, and even non-warrantable condos, which a lot of lenders won't touch. When it comes to the loan itself, you've got plenty of options. 30-year loans are most common, but some lenders allow a 40-year loan with an interest-only option. That way, you can cash flow the most. Debt service loans have really investor-friendly features. You can use gift funds for your down payment, closing costs, or reserves, as long as you kick in the minimum required yourself. First-time investors can go up to 75% LTV, and sellers can give up to 6% toward closing costs. Foreign nationals are welcome, and you can even borrow in the name of an LLC, which is perfect if you're running your deals through a business entity. A question I get all the time is, what do you do if you just bought a property and I want cash out? You don't have to wait a year to refinance. Seasoning can be as little as 0 to 6 months, and you can use the new appraised value right away. To summarize, if you're picking up your very first rental, or you're already building out a bigger portfolio, the debt service loan program niche gives you the leverage and flexibility you need to scale your portfolio.